Anchor has recently completed its strategy and asset allocation process for the fourth quarter of 2017. From a domestic equity perspective, we project total returns of 12% in the next 12 months. This is underpinned by expected earnings growth of 11%, a 3% dividend yield and a moderate derating of the valuation multiple, which currently stands at a forward P of around 15 times. At a sector level, industrials offer the strongest earnings growth, but this is heavily influenced by Naspers. Domestically, investors face the prospect of opposing risks to equities. On the one hand, we believe the probability of a moderate political outcome in the December 2017 ANC conference is rising, with the probability of the worst-case scenario falling. By itself, a more market-friendly outcome in SA politics compared to what we would have become used to should lift sentiment and buoy the valuations of domestic-facing companies, such as banks and retailers. This could occur well ahead of any meaningful recovery in earnings. Conversely, we believe the risks to SA's fiscal framework are significant. We expect that the shortfall on SA's Treasury revenue forecasts could be as high as 75 billion rand, with the budget deficit likely to rise to 4.5% rather than the 3% predicted. This will likely result in some shock tax increases for South Africans. This risks placing South Africa in a low growth trap for some time, which would result in earnings growth for SA Inc. remaining muted. Because of these opposing factors, we believe it's inappropriate to be constructing portfolios with outsized sector allocation bets, with stock selection likely to drive value instead. Some of our domestic bottom-up stock picks include Exxaro in the resources sector, and Old Mutual PLC and RMI within insurers. We still see further gains for Naspers, and have recently been allocating some capital away from banks towards selected retail exposure on relative performance and valuation considerations. You can find more detail in our fourth quarter strategy and asset allocation document on our website. For more information, or if you'd like to invest with Anchor, please contact us at sales@anchorcapital.co.za.